Hey, WhatsApp users. Ever wish you could take back that typo or revise a message you've already sent? Well, today's your lucky day. In case you don't know, the feature to edit sent messages is very much available on WhatsApp. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use this game-changing feature. Let's dive right in. Imagine this, you're messaging a friend, and oops. You realize you've sent a message with a mistake. We've all been there. But now, with the edit feature, you can correct your messages even after hitting send. This is a lifesaver for those who communicate quickly or multitask a lot. Here's how it works. First, open WhatsApp and go to the chat with the message you want to edit. Long press on the message until the options menu appears. Tap on Edit from the list. You'll now be able to change the text. Once you're done, hit Send, and voila! Your message is updated. You'll notice a small, edited, label below the message indicating the change. Pro tips for editing effectively. Here are a few tips to keep in mind. Make sure you edit the message within 15 minutes of sending it. That's the window WhatsApp gives you. Also, be aware that the edited label will be visible to both you and the recipient. This feature is perfect for quick fixes and clarifications, so use it wisely. FAQs and important notes. You might be wondering, can the recipient see the original message? No, they can't. The edited message replaces the original. But remember, this feature won't cover disappearing messages. So if a message vanishes, editing won't bring it back. And that's it. Editing messages on WhatsApp is super simple and incredibly useful. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe for more WhatsApp tips and tricks. Until next time, happy texting.